Harshita, and today I will be presenting my formative assessment. The task was to research and create a video on the issues of concern for women. My issue is human trafficking. Human trafficking is something that has been troubling people from all over the world. It's trafficking when a human, or in case a woman, is trafficked to another countries and sold to other people for many obscene reasons like prostitution, sexual exploitation, forced labor, forced marriage, etc. Victims who are targeted generally have a violent past like a dysfunctional family, abuse in their childhood, or socially isolated people. The traffickers use two ways to enslave the victim. One is guerrilla pimping using violence, and the other one is finesse pimping using compassion, gifts, and kindness. Here are some facts about human trafficking in general. According to some estimates, approximately 80% of trafficking victims suffer sexual exploitation and 20% for forced labor. Human trafficking is the third largest criminal industry. It generates 32 billion and 15.5 of that is from industrialized countries. Now the main two reasons why human trafficking is done is sex exploitation and child marriage. Here are a few facts on child marriage. 22 million children are sold in sex trade every year. That means 4 children per minute. Worldwide, 4.5 million people are trafficked into sex work. There are many protests going on to stop human trafficking, and 2 of them have recently happened in San Bernardino and Oxford. To stop it in India, we can take up the Nordic model, which was the first law to recognize prostitution as a violation of women's rights and human rights. Here are a few wonderful people who are trying to stop human trafficking. From Argentina, we have Sara Susana, an anti-trafficking activist. From Mexico, Linda Cacho Ribeiro, our author, journalist and social activist. From India, Sunita Krishnan, who runs an organization and has been a victim herself. And from Nepal, Anuradha Koirala, who is a woman who got many awards and is running an organization to help women from all over the country. When the social reformers are trying to get rid of this problem, they will face a lot of danger and problems, like people might try to hurt them, blackmail them, and if it's a woman, then stereotypical thinking is something which is very hard to break. A woman's responsibility towards this will be to educate herself about the dangers and rights and be safe in public. And our responsibility will be to help the victims try to life become brighter, help the women to know about the dangers and rights. Thank you.